Okay, so you live an active lifestyle, but mountain bikes in the back of a pickup truck aren't really your thing. How would you even get that into your underground parking? Or maybe you've got a four-legged friend that goes with you everywhere. I mean, they are great road trip companions. Meet the Honda HR-V Touring, packed with incredible features, slick styling, and the Honda Sensing suite of advanced safety features standard on every HR-V. Perfect to keep you, your cargo, and your best friend safe on the road. Let's start with a look at the exterior of the HR-V Touring. It has a body-colored lower body kit, dark chrome honeycomb pattern front grille, and chrome tailpipe finisher, all sitting on stunning gray 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You're sure to stand out whether you're right in the heart of the city or heading out to your favorite trail. Speaking of trails, the roof rails on the HR-V Touring give you the option to add things like a roof basket or ski attachment. Plus, for those of you who like to take the road less traveled no matter the weather, this HR-V also features rain-sensing wipers, real-time all-wheel drive with intelligent control system, and automatic LED headlights with the auto high beam function. And in case the car behind you doesn't have auto high beams, the HR-V Touring features an auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Okay, let's jump inside and take a closer look at what makes the HR-V Touring so amazing. Hear that? Exactly. Active noise cancellation dampens outside noises, so your quiet drives are actually quiet. And when you want to get loud, you can make full use of the 180-watt audio system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This HR-V looks compact from the outside, which does make it great for fitting into tight parking spots or underground garages. But once you sit inside, you'll be amazed at the amount of room. First, let's look at the passenger space. If you like long road trips, you'll appreciate the great shoulder support on the leather-trimmed heated front seats. And moving to the back, there's tons of legroom, so go ahead and invite your tallest friend. Now, let's look at the other space you need, cargo. It starts with the Honda 60/40 split folding second row Magic seats that let you store all your bulky stuff, but then it gets better. The Magic seats offer more storage configurations like tall and long mode. It used to be tricky to move things like potted plants or lamps. Not anymore. Plus, these seats are perfect for big dogs. The HR-V Touring gives you a lot of what you want from an SUV in a vehicle that drives like a car. When it's time to drive, you get the best of both worlds. Take control with the steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, or sit back and relax while the continuously variable transmission glides through, giving you a smooth ride. And the Econ button helps balance the 141 horsepower 1.8-liter iVTEC engine with top-class fuel economy. The Honda Sensing suite of safety technologies is standard on every HR-V trim. This includes forward collision warning, collision mitigation braking system, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist system, road departure mitigation, and adaptive cruise control.